A Life Well Eaten, where we cut the carbs and find more flavor. Today's recipe is a salad of baby kale and carrot with a ginger lime dressing. Let's get started on the dressing. So first, we're gonna use pickled ginger. Now, pickled ginger is something that you can easily find in most grocery stores, particularly obviously Asian grocery stores. So we're gonna add that along with just a little bit of red onion, some sweetener, and fresh cilantro. Now, you could possibly throw in something like Thai basil or another herb, but I really like cilantro. I like the herbaceousness that it adds to this. And instead of vinegar, we are going to use lime juice. A lot of times, rice vinegars are really high in carbs. Lime juice, on the other hand, is not. So we're simply going to cut them in half, give them a good squeeze. All right, now we're ready to do the hard part. Well, maybe the fun part. We're gonna plunge in our immersion blender and puree. We'll add that, about a half a cup of the dressing, and toss it to coat. This is going to be absolutely perfect for about 6 people as a side, or dreamy as dinner for 2 on a hot summer night. Add some roasted chicken or your favorite protein and enjoy. Here's to good eating, good health, and a good life. A life well eaten. For this and more, visit us on these social media handles and find us on the web at alifewelleaten.com.